Good morning. Monday of Thanksgiving week. Camacho Blinds working hard here in the crossings here in Westlake. And I want paper shades right now. Guy has paper shades, but you're gonna see now how nice it looks. Camacho Blinds, give us a call.
Elevate your home, let the sunshine in. Camacho Blinds, let's take it high.
And these are the rooms. These are dim out, so basically room darkening zebra shades. Solitude by Vertilux. Here's the room. And here's the final living room area with the zebra shades. I just installed it, sweating. I'm the owner, but I'm sweating. Here's the front door blind, and here are the ones that have paper shade. Here's the other door. Kitchen. This is in Westlake, the crossings. Call us today, Camacho Blinds, for all your blind needs.